Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your DJ business. If you are a DJ, then manually handling all the event bookings and sending music preferences can be a very overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for DJ businesses, and before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to DJ Vibe Zone, bringing the beats to your best nights. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us 3 options, and I'm going to select the first one that says check availability. It is asking for city or location. So here I'm going to send a demo response as ABC. And then it is asking for preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And it responds me with, "We have received your details as ABC and this given date. I'll confirm availability shortly." Next, I'm going to book an event, and it is asking for venue. So again, I'm going to send a demo response as XYZ. And then it is asking for preferred date. So again, I'm going to send a demo response like this. And it responds me with, "We have received your details as XYZ and this given date. I'll confirm availability shortly." Lastly, I'm going to select this music preferences option, and our chatbot responds with all the music preferences. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for DJ business. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for your DJ business. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Here, with the help of a specific format which is this, You can activate the chatbot with any given keyboard. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. You can choose any template to send to the user. Here I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this, and here I've added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will look more presentable like this. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option, so let's begin with check availability. And for this we have to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take the details. So here I'm asking for city or location. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select address, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to ask for date. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. And lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this. It will appear like this to the user. So next I'm going to curate a response for book an event, and for this we have to access the question box again, and here I'm going to take all the details for the event. I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I have added great, let's get you booked. Please provide venue address, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select address, and in the format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to take the dates like this, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any, link it to the question box, and here I'm going to link it to the same confirmation message that we curated earlier. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for music preference, and here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the music preferences like this. It will appear like this to the user, and this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for DJ Business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.